Most Lift cleaning tools, you've got to snag this Prime Day. This pressure steamer and many attachments is one of my favorite cleaning tools. Use it to blast hidden or stuck on gunk in seconds. It reaches every crack and crevice, and the best part, it sanitizes and cleans with just water. No harsh chemicals needed here. This handheld vacuum cleaner is not only compact, but specifically designed to remove hidden dust mites from your mattress. Not only is it easy to maneuver, but has a hidden high-temperature UV light that eliminates allergens and mites. You'll wonder why you didn't get one sooner. If you hate scrubbing on your hands and knees, then you have to try this electric scrub brush. It comes with multiple attachments to clean any surface in your home with ease, such as your shower walls, fixtures, sinks, or even floors. Ready to ditch your mop and broom? This Tinco S6 Stretch not only mops and vacuums simultaneously, but it also picks up any kind of mess. I'm talking wet, dry, clumpy, or smooth, all in the blink of an eye. It cuts your cleaning time in half, but not just on the floors, because the best part is this vacuum actually self-cleans and self-dries, meaning you can drop it on the stand and forget about it. No more stinky mop pads here. If you're still keen on your mop, try the O-Cedar Spin Mop. Spin it to remove excess water to keep your floors in tip-top shape while still using it all over your home to clean any surface with no extra work. Find these and more of my Amazon Prime Day favorites linked in my bio, or check the caption for details.